I crashed. Hello and welcome to Fired Up Extreme RC. Today I'm going to be making a tutorial video to show you how to mount the Proline extended body mounts to the Traxxas / 4x4. If you mount the Proline body mounts, it means you no longer have to use body clips, ugly, horrible body clips, which take away from the realism of the Traxxas / and are just ugly. I'm not a fan, so I'm really looking forward to getting rid of them. As well as that, the Proline body mounts will also put you in a position then where you can start looking at custom bodies for your Traxxas /. So, a win-win. So, here is the extended front and rear body mounts for the Traxxas / 4x4. Let's open it up. Inside, this is what you get. You have a set of secure lock caps and set screws for the body mounts, the extended posts and the brackets for the body mounts. They're just set on this frame here. Let's twist these off. So your front and rear body mounts, bracket, extended posts for the front and the rear, and your screw set. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is take your set screw, this little piece here, and secure it in position into your extended body post. You take your Allen key and your set screw, and then start screwing it into that hole at the top there. Okay, it is pretty stubborn, does take a little bit of force to get it going, and it doesn't always necessarily want to line up straight, so a bit of care at this point here. Screw it in about halfway, there or thereabouts. Okay, there we go. Take your O-ring, place it over the top, and then push it down as far as you can. Okay, once you've done that, take your secure lock cap and push the O-ring all the way down so it's in position there. Okay, and then once you've done that, the O-ring will be nice and snug there. And then just repeat that process 3 more times with the remaining extended body posts. Not the easiest thing to do if you've got clumsy sausage fingers like myself. Okay, so next thing to do is to remove the stock body mounts from the Traxxas /. So get rid of the shell, and then remove the stock body mounts. There's 2 screws there and 2 screws there, and that's it. That's all you need to do. Place them to one side, you'll need them in a minute. go. Once you've removed your stock body mounts, you can use the existing body mounts that you've been using as a bit of a reference point to adjust the height of your Proline body mounts. So drop them in there. Drop that in there like so. And measure up. It's near enough the same. So I'll put a little bit of height on it. And then take your screws and tighten them up into the holes. So there we are, the front body mount put together and the rear body mount put together. Measured up, I'm pretty happy with the height. As I say, you can always adjust it afterwards. So what you need to do now is fit the body mounts back on the body. So start with the back ones. Put the screws in place. The front ones. So there we go, the new body mount system in place. Looks much better than the previous setup with the body clips. So what's left to do now, take off the secure lock caps, put the body back on, see how it looks.